Okay, on 11.5, in order to be able to accomplish these, you have to have the side ratios memorized, and they are shown for you on page 602 and 604 in your textbook. So for a 45, 45, 90 triangle, the side ratios are s, and s square root of 2. And you can actually use any variable. You could call it x, and x square root of 2. But the relationship is that the legs are the same length and the hypotenuse is that length times the square root of 2. For the 30, 60, 90 triangle, across from the 30 is the s. The hypotenuse is 2s, and this is s square root of 3. I remember it as s, 2s, and s square root of 3. So you're like counting up 1, 2, not quite 3. So again, on this one, across from the 30 is the s, the hypotenuse is 2s, and this is s square root of 3. So once I have those, looking at number 1, if I fill in my side ratios, I have s equals, and this would be s square root of 2. X is equal to s square root of 2. Well, we just said right here what that s was 3. So x is equal to 3 square root of 2. On number 2, s, s. Well, s is 9. Well, this is s square root of 2. So x is going to be 9 square root of 2. Number 6, you are told that you have a ballet teacher that wants to divide the classroom, and it's a square classroom, so all the sides are 40, and these are right angles, with tape. I use blue for painter's tape. How much tape is he going to need? Well, if this is the side, then this is side square root of 2. So he's going to need 40 square root of 2. And you can look in your table, and the square root of 2 is 1.414 approximately. 16, carry the 1, 5, 16, carry the 1, 5. We need 3 decimal places. He is going to need 56.56 feet of tape. When you hit 8, 9, and 10, you hit a 30, 60, 90 triangle, which here are our ratios. Across from the 30 is the s. The hypotenuse is 2s. And this is s square root of 3. So s is 3. So that means this is 3 square root of 3. And this is 2 times 3, which would be 6. Over here, we fill in our sides. Across from our 30 is my s. The hypotenuse is 2s. And this is s square root of 3. So if 2s is equal to 10, divide both sides by 2, s has to be 5. So I need that piece of information. That means x is 5, because s and x are the same, and y is 5 square root of 3. Over here, again, filling in your variables, s, 2s, and s square root of 3. So 8 square root of 3 equals s square root of 3. So that means the 8 is the s. So x is equal to 8, because that's where the s goes, and y is equal to 2 times 8, which would be 16. And then number 11 is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So we would have on our legs s, and then on the hypotenuse s square root of 2. So y is going to be 13, just like the other leg, and x is going to be 13 square root of 2. So again, you have to know these ratios here, and on your quiz, I'll have you fill them in on right triangles in order to be able to do these problems. And you learn those by practicing them.